The fall of Sheikh Hasina's government marks a pivotal moment for Bangladesh, with Nobel Laureate Muhammad Yunice set to steer the interim government, symbolizing a second wave of independence. Muhammad Yunice returned to Dhaka from Paris via Dubai, where he was warmly welcomed by Army Chief General Waqar, senior officials, student leaders, and civil society members. Yunice emphasized the need to protect this newfound freedom, calling on the youth to rebuild the nation and urging everyone to maintain peace and avoid violence during this transformative period. The interim government, backed by military support, will be sworn in on August 8, 2024, at 8 p.m., with a 15-member advisory council to aid in governance and decision-making. Security concerns loom large, with citizens staying awake at night to protect themselves amidst police absence. Students and volunteers are stepping up to manage traffic and maintain order. The Hindu community faces heightened anxiety, with hundreds gathering at the Indian border following attacks on their businesses and homes. They are demanding enhanced security and protection. Administrative challenges are rampant, with influential officials going into hiding and office absenteeism paralyzing the Bangladesh Secretariat, especially among those affiliated with the Awami League. The opposition Bangladesh Nationalist Party (BNP) held a large rally in Dhaka, where leader Khalida Zia addressed supporters virtually and acting chairman Tariq Rahman demanded immediate elections. International reactions are varied, with the United States willing to work with the interim government, India monitoring the situation closely, and the United Nations urging restraint and peace. Economic instability is evident, with declines in foreign investment and stock market volatility. Efforts to stabilize the economy include investor assurance campaigns and regulatory interventions. Human rights concerns are rising, with reports of violence, pressure on media, and demands for the release of political prisoners. Human rights organizations call for judicial oversight. The interim government faces the challenge of ensuring a peaceful transition, preparing for fair elections, stabilizing the economy, and restoring trust between all communities for social harmony. To get free study material and PDF content, join us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp.